यदि tan इनवर्स स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होल डिवाइड स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू थीटा, तो सिद्ध कीजिए कि एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू साइन 2 थीटा। सो tan इनवर्स स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होल डिवाइड स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर is equal to theta. So we can write, this is implied tan theta. So tan theta. So tan inverse this side. So we can write tan theta is equal to, since square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square divide square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 minus x square. So we apply in Yogantra Nupat. So we can write Yogantra Nupat. Yogantra Nupat. Yogantra Nupat. So first of all, we can write tan theta divide 1. So we add in numerator, we add numerator in denominator and minus numerator minus denominator. So we can write tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta. So 1 minus tan theta is equal to square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square plus square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 minus x square whole divide square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square minus square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square. So this is implies we can write tan theta plus 1 divide 1 minus tan theta is equal to, we open the bracket, so we can write 1 plus square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square plus square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 minus x square whole divide whole divide so whole divide square root 1 plus x square minus square root 1 minus x square minus 1 multiply by this, so minus square root 1 minus 1 plus x square. So minus minus plus, we can write plus square root 1 minus x square. So plus square root 1 plus x square and minus, and so plus square root 1 plus x square and plus square root 1 plus x square. So this is add, so we can write 2 square root 1 plus x square and minus square root 1 minus x square, which cancel out, plus square root 1 minus x square, and also square root 1 plus x square is cancel out minus square root 1 plus x square and tan, so we can write tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, so sin theta by cos theta plus 1 whole divided, so 1 minus sin theta divide cos theta is equal to square root 1 plus x square plus square root 1 plus x square, so add, so 2 times square root 1 plus x square divide square root square root square root 1 minus x square minus, so minus square root 1 minus x square, so this is also, that is add, so we can write 2 square root 1 minus x square, so 2 is cancelled out, so this is implies we take LCM, so sin theta plus cos theta divide cos theta whole divided cos theta minus sin theta divided cos theta. So cos theta is cancelled out. So square root 1 plus x square divide square root 1 minus x square. So we can write sin theta plus cos theta divide cos theta minus sin theta is equal to square root 1 plus x square divide square root 1 minus x square, दोनों पक्षों का वर्ग करने पर, तो दोनों पक्षों का वर्ग करने पर we can write sin theta plus cos theta divide cos theta minus sin theta to the whole square is equal to, so square root 1 plus x square divide square root 1 minus x square to the whole square. So we can write sin theta plus cos theta to the whole square. So open this bracket. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta whole divide. So open this bracket, cos theta minus sin theta to the whole square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. So स्क्वायर रूट करने पर स्क्वायर रूट हट जाएगा, so 1 plus x square divide 1 minus x square, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is implied we can write 1 plus, so 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta, so sin 2 theta divide, we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta, so sin 2 theta is equal to 1 plus x square divide 1 minus x square. So this is implies 1 plus x square divide 1 minus x square is equal to 1 plus sin 2 theta divide 1 minus sin 2 theta. So we apply again Yogantra Yogantranupat. So we can write 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square divide 1 minus x square minus 1 plus x square. So we can write 1 plus sine 2 theta. We can write 1 plus sine 2 theta plus 1 minus sine 2 theta divide 1 minus sine 2 theta minus 1 plus sine 2 theta. So this is implied x square is cancelled out. So 2 divide, so 1 minus x square minus 1 minus x square is equal to, so minus sin 2 theta is cancelled out. So we can write 1 plus 1 into 2. So 1 minus sin 2 theta minus 1 minus sin 2 theta. So 2 is cancelled out and we can write 1 by 1 minus 1 cancel out. So minus x square and minus x square, that is minus 2x square is equal to 1 divide 1 and minus 1 is cancel out. Minus sin 2 theta and minus sin 2 theta is equal to minus 2 sin 2 theta. So minus 2 is cancel out. So this is implied we cross multiply. So sin 2 theta is equal to x square and so that. So x square is equal to sin 2 theta. So next question number second, यदि cos inverse x by a plus cos inverse x y by b is equal to थीटा हो तो सिद्ध कीजिए x square by a minus 2xy by ab cos theta plus y square by b square is equal to sin square theta. So we can write cos inverse x by a plus cos inverse y by b is equal to theta. Since cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse x into y minus square root 1 minus x square into square root 1 minus y square. So we apply the formula in the question. So we can write cos inverse x by a. So we can write x by a into y by b minus square root 1 minus x by a to the whole square into square root 1 minus y by b to the whole square is equal to theta. So cos inverse this is equal to theta. So we can write cos theta. So x y by ab minus square root 1 minus x by a to the whole square into square root 1 minus y by b to the whole square is equal to cos theta. So this is implies we can write xy by ab minus cos theta. Xy by ab minus cos theta is equal to square root 1 minus a by 1 minus x by a 1 minus x by a to the whole square into square root 1 minus y by b to the whole square. So दोनों पक्षों का वर्ग करने पर we can write दोनों पक्षों का वर्ग करने पर दोनों पक्षों का वर्ग करने पर we can write x y by a b minus cos theta to the whole square is equal to square root 1 minus x by a to the whole square into square root 1 minus b by y by b y by b to the whole square. So y by b to the whole square to the whole square. So we can write a minus b, since a minus b to the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So open this bracket, so we can write x y by ab to the whole square plus cos square theta minus 2 x y by ab into cos theta is equal to square root हट जाएगा, so we can write 1 minus x by a to the whole square into 1 minus y by b to the whole square. So we can write x square y square by a square b square plus cos square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to, so we multiply this, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 1 into minus y by b to the whole square, so we can write minus y square by b square and x by a to the whole square into 1, so we can write minus x square by a square and minus plus, so we can write plus x square by a square into y square by b square. So plus x square by a square, x square y square by a square b square and x square y square by a square b square, which cancel out. So we can write x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to b square minus 2xy by ab is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is equal to, we can write sin square theta. So x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 2xy by ab is equal to sin square theta. Hence, so x square by a square plus x square by a square minus 2xy by ab minus 2xy by ab cos theta. So cos theta, so is cos theta cos theta. So there is cos theta. So cos theta is also, so x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 2xy by ab cos theta is equal to sin square theta. So hence proved.